Okay guys, so we're going to download the app. It says in the manual, visit the Apple Store or Google Play and search Black Ice. Locate the free Black Ice app and download and install. So let's give that a go. And go Black Ice fridge, guessing. Okay, the Black Ice app. Okay, companion. Hit install. Skip that. Okay, wait for it to download. Take long. Open. Let's see what we got. This is an Android phone, by the way. Deny location. Don't ask again. Okay, continue. Wait for something to happen. This isn't doing anything at the moment. And maybe we'll go back. It's frozen. Oh, it's a freezer, I suppose. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna uninstall it and install it again. Okay, so we'll reinstall it. Maybe it needs to know where you are. Black Ice fridge. Hit that one. Install. Give it another go. This time I'll allow the location. It's doing something different now. I'm guessing you need to allow it to know where you are, which is strange. Okay, so 003F, I think. Yep, guessing it's that one. Okay, E3F, verification code. I'm just going to write that down. E3F. Okay. Okay. Just hit continue. Okay, so it's comes straight up, and the little Bluetooth light is flashing on the fridge, a little green light flashing, so I'm guessing it's connected. It's already said current temp 1 degree, which is what I do have it set to. Battery protection is set to low, and cooling speed is set to maximum, which is what I have the settings on the fridge. So I'm just going to have a look at the fridge quickly. So you cut back in and it's come back down to 1 degree, and that's what the set temperature is here. I'm just going to check the thermometer inside the fridge. And that's actually reading 1 degree, exactly 1 degree. So that's not bad. It's just dropped down to 0, but it's saying 1 degree in the fridge, so I don't know. Maybe it's not as bad as we first thought. Okay, let's just have a little play with these settings. So we got 1 degree, so current temp 0 degrees, and we're set to 1 degree here. Let's try and turn it up, 2 degrees, 3 degrees, and I will just show you what the fridge is doing as well at the same time. Okay, so it's currently at 0 degrees, it's saying there. Current temperature is 0 degrees on here. Set it to 3 degrees. So let's just turn that up to, I don't know, 5 degrees. There, straight away, it's gone up to 5 degrees on there. So that's your set temperature. At the moment it's 0, and when it was flashing there it was 5 degrees. So we'll turn that back down to 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to 0. Alright, 0 degrees. Alright, set temp. Seems to be working well. So maybe we can power it off. Yep, straight away power off. So you need to be careful with that, that you don't power that off if you're out and about. And power that back on. Straight away it came back up, see that? I'll power it off again, power on, straight back up. That's really pretty good, isn't it? Alright, so we are, current temperature inside is 0 and it's set to 0. Every now and then the little Bluetooth light flashes. Okay, so we're back to where we were, so 0 and it's still sitting at 0. Okay, so battery protection, let's go into battery protection and then we'll put that to high, and straight away it changed. So we've got high battery protection now, which means, looking at the manual, cuts out at 11.6 volts and back in at 12.7. I'm going to set it to low just for now. See if we can change the cooling speed, normal, and it's changed straight away on the actual setting, so that's good. I think we've done everything we sort of can now on that. So I'll connect it to my vehicle, and if there's any issues with it I will get back on and give you an update, guys.